33. A piece of wire is shaped in enclosed a rectangle with a length of 15 cm and whose area is 150 square centimeter. It is then reshaped to enclose a square. Find the area of the square in centimeters square. Solution. A is equals to L times W equals 150. So 15 times W equals 150. So now W width is equals to 10 centimeter. So 2 times length times width is equals to 2 times 15 plus 10 is equals to 2 times 25 equals 50 centimeter. So 50 divided by 4 equals 12.5. 12.5 squared is equals to 156.25. So the answer is letter A. 35. 5 horses are in a race. A woman picks 2 of the horses in random and bets one of them. Find the probability P that the person picked the winner. A. 1 over 10. B. 2 over 5. C. 3 over 10. Or D. 7 over 10. So 1 times 1 times 4 times 1 all over 5 times 2 is equals to 1 times 4 over 10. So 4 over 10 is equals to 2 over 5. The answer is letter A. Number 29. A spherical snowball melting in such a way that its surface decreases at the rate of 1 cubic centimeter per minute. How fast is its radius shrinking when it is 3 centimeter? The answer is A. Negative 1 over 24.5. 34. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola x equals y squared and the line y equals x minus 2. So the answer is 9 over 2. 32. The perimeter of an isosceles right triangle is 10.2426. Compute the area of the triangle in square units. A. 4, B. 2, C. 4.5, D. 5.2. Solution. X plus x square root of 2 is equals to 2x plus x square root of 2 is equals to 10.2426. X times 2 plus square root of 2 is equals to 10.2426. So x is equals to 10.2426 over 2 plus square root of 2 equals 10.2426 over 3.4142 equals 3. So area 1 over 2 x squared is equals to 1 over 2 times 3 squared equals 9 over 2 or 4.5. So the answer is letter C, 4.5.